Say hello to the D-Series amplifiers, the newest addition to the DD Audio product lineup. Designed with the everyday mobile audio enthusiast in mind, this series caters to a wide variety of installation scenarios. Available in monoblock, 4-channel, and 5-channel configurations, the D-Series is sure to have a solution for any of your install needs. The series' most notable feature is its incredibly compact chassis, made possible in part by the newly revamped, highly efficient heatsink design. Sitting at only 2 inches high and 5 inches deep, the D-Series has you covered whether you're looking to show them off or hide them from prying eyes. Home to the technology behind essential factory integration features like high-level input summing, signal sensing auto turn-on, and switchable input selection, the double-sided conformal-coated PCBs allow the D-Series to function in power sport and marine applications. Helping you maintain peace of mind and the longevity of your drivers, the output section is built with current-limiting triple protection circuits and features robust angle-lock set-screw terminals. The monoblock and 5-channel configurations also include a remote subwoofer control knob equipped with clipping and protection indicator LEDs. Contact your local DD Audio dealer today for a full rundown on what a D-Series amplifier can do for you.